Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record guitar on Soundtrap. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Soundtrap, and then from there sign into your account and head on over to the studio. Then from here we want to go ahead and click onto add new track. Now inside of add new track, click on guitar. Now we've got instrument here. We can go ahead and change the presets by clicking there. We've got acoustic, guitar chords, we've got pop, rock, traditional, and we've got more presets on the right here as well. I'm just going to choose rock for now and click out of that. Now we can change the reverb here, the pan and volume. We can add some effects as well. Now basically what we want to do is go ahead and click on record and then play the guitar like so. Alright, so I've recorded that and then I'll press stop. Now I can go ahead and press play. So yeah, that sounds horrible, but this is just for demonstration purposes.